Caitlin, lock the door. Lock it. Go lock the door. What? I said lock. Lock it. Lock the door. Shh. You locked it. Kiss your face, Caitlin.
What are you talking about?
Lock the door.
Why are they telling you to lock the door?
Tell her to lock the door.
I don't care, just stop playing on the stairs because my mom just yelled at me.
I don't know. Ariana.